What's good, YouTube? I know I haven't seen you guys in a while, but today we got some more mods for the AMG. We're at my boy Wayne's shop, GR Customs. He got his own shop now, so I'll leave it in the description if any of you guys need any work done, any lower cars, basically any type of mod, suspension, basically everything. You can hit him up on Instagram. I'll leave his Instagram on the screen right now for you guys. But today we are doing some RGB DRLs on the AMG, as well as a carbon fiber front lip. So yeah, stay tuned for this. It's gonna be crazy. And this is his Q50 that you guys saw in the intro. Shit's stupid clean, bagged on Airlift 3P. So yeah, if any of you guys need like bags, any type of like lip, headlight, DRL, whatever, hit up my boy Wayne, because this shit is crazy. And he's gonna be the one that works on like my AMG, like mod wise for the most part. So yeah, definitely if I trust him on my car, y'all should trust him with yours. So we're starting with the DRLs, and from what he told me, we don't have to take off the front bumper to do the DRLs. You guys just have to basically turn the wheels and the modules right behind it. We get some better footage for you guys in a little bit. But yeah. Alright, so ignore what I told you guys before. The bumper has to come off because the module is on the bottom of the headlight. I'll show you guys when we take it off. Damn, it really looks like I maxed the C63, but we almost got the one headlight out, and the module is like right under here somewhere. So once we get it out, I'll show you guys exactly what to do. So that's where your DRL module is. I'm not gonna lie, we're kind of all over the place in the video. You could do it with the bumper on, but because we thought it was the bottom module, but it's accessible if you guys take off this little thing off your fender liner. But fuck it, first time seeing the bumper come off. And then yeah, your board sits right there. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to, well, Wayne's gonna show you guys how to put the new one together. And to control the color, there's also an app. So at the very end, I'll show you guys the app as well. Put it in there, and it's basically as simple as that. And you guys put the 4 bolts back, and then you're gonna have to run this external power because it needs more power than the factory harness gives you.
Definitely goes in here, right? Now, so you pull that up. I don't know if you saw that. This closes. Pull it up so you can slide this in there. See? And then close it. Push it down to close it. Either one of these. This is the extension.
And this is why I didn't do this shit myself.
Oh, this still goes in here.
Okay.
I believe. These would go
to that.
Because one of these are going to the other side. Right? Yes. Okay, this. Alright. This is gonna go straight to the controller. I don't think we're using this anymore.
Okay.
So let's put this to the side. We're gonna test it without that, but I do believe we're not using this anymore. Or no, okay, we can still use it. Sorry. But the color is gonna come from. Okay.
So basically, you guys have to put the little strip thing into the board, and then you still use the factory connector. And then you're gonna have to wire up the red and the black. But I'm gonna show you guys that after, once he seals the headlight up. So yeah, now stay tuned. So the only YouTube video online that I seen on DRLs wanted you to put it to the battery terminal. But when Wayne tested it with the electrical thingy, it always has power. But the way my front star is wired up, it's to this fuse box right here, which stays on for a couple minutes after the car turns off and is on constantly while the car is on. So we ran this red wire, the power wire, all the way across. Can't even really see it because it's tucked up on the, oh, there you go. The red wire that's right there, we ran it all the way across. And we're gonna put it to the same fuse tap that's the light up emblem is tapped to. So that's what we're doing right now.
We're gonna go with this one right here. It's only on with your attention.
So we are putting the ground right here, just so it looks clean. I'll show you guys like the end product, but we're gonna put the ground and then test it, and you guys will get to see if this should work or not. Alright you guys, so we got everything wired up, the ground and the power, so I'm gonna test it right now so you guys get to see. Alright you guys, so we figured it out. Basically the little ribbon that we plugged into the DRL board just had to get flipped around. It was the wrong way. So I'll show you guys on the driver's side how to do it right. But yeah, that shit looks crazy. What the fuck? This is lit. So now you guys can actually tell that one is green, that one is white. And yeah, I'm definitely fucking with the DRLs.
Alright, so the passenger side is going to be the same as the driver. This is a T10 for the top 4 screws right here. Alright, so once you take those out, this is going to slide out. It's easier with the screwdriver. Just going to grab a screwdriver and pop it right up like that. Then grab the new one. Just gonna slide right over there. Just like that. Now you want to be careful, don't make them too tight. Probably go hand tight right here. Just snug them down, not make them too tight. And once you got all 4 tight, this part right here in the middle will pop up. And then you got your other cord, and you're just gonna slide it in there. Just slide it in there, just like that, and then push it down. Slide it in there, just like this. You're gonna plug the extension in, just like that. We're gonna go under right here, but we don't have any wheel liner, so we can do that. And then this is gonna plug right back in to where it came out. Just like that. Put that in there. And take this. It's gonna plug right back. Right back in there. Put the screws. Take the extension. We're gonna hide it right under here. that neat as well. And then on this side, you have the plug-in. Just gonna plug these two in, plug and play. Just like that. You can hide all these, probably zip tied up somewhere. So let's test it.
And if you guys do everything right, it should look a little something like this. Should look crazy. Oh my god. And they're actually way brighter than I thought they were gonna be, I'm not gonna lie. Tonight you guys are definitely gonna get some beauty shots, but yeah, that's what they look like under shop lighting. So yeah. Damn, you can't tell me this shit don't look fire. So this is how the DRLs ended up coming out. The color that I leave them on the most is like this red color, because it complements the brake calipers nicely. But there's an app that goes with it and has a bunch of different modes. So let me walk you guys through that now before we close up this video. So for those of you guys wondering, this app is called Colorful Lights. And basically you could switch it to any color that you guys want. So like green, you got blue, dark blue, purple, back to white. And then there's like different animations and stuff we could do. So look, we could do flashing. So basically we got strobes now. We can make it flash red and blue. So I'm trying to be a cop, which I don't know why I would want to do that, but and then they have like a gradual, and then you could like adjust the speed. There's a bunch of different things you could do. I haven't really played with it too much, but look, there's literally almost endless options you could do with this app. Yeah, if you guys want to do this to your W205 or your C63, the link will be in the description. Just make sure you guys have the LED headlights. I'm not sure if this will work for like the base models with the halogens, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this one. Definitely fucking with the new lights, and we got a lot of AMG videos to catch up on.